everyone, my name is Riya Gupta and welcome to my channel. Well, when you are on your weight loss journey, you don't really know what diet to start with. When I started my 32 kg weight loss journey, I didn't really know what diet to follow because our eating habits are quite different. Also, the amount of calories I would require to lose weight would be quite different from the amount of calories you would require to shed off that particular weight. But I didn't really know this fact, and so I went on to an extent to follow crash dieting as I desperately wanted to lose weight. But this crash dieting slowed down my metabolism and also resulted in hair fall. And so in this video, I will teach you how to prepare your own diet chart to lose weight. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share this particular video. Well, before making your diet chart, it is important to calculate how many calories your body needs to lose weight. So, to count your calories, you need to know two things. First, your BMR levels. Second is your TDEE levels. Let's start with BMR calculations. BMR is called as basal metabolic rate. It is the number of calories you need just for your body to function, your brain and heart to function well. If you eat below your BMR level, then you are creating nutrition deficiency in your body. And that is the main reason for your dull skin, hair fall and weakness that you face during your weight loss process. Your TDEE levels, which is called as total daily energy expenditure number, these are the number of calories you need to maintain your current weight. Now, listen to this really very carefully. If I eat above my TDEE number or the above my TDEE number calories that I have come with, then my weight is going to increase. But here is the thing. I'm in a procedure of weight loss journey. So obviously I need to eat below my TDEE levels to reduce my weight. What usually happens is that people think that eating below your BMR level is going to help you to reduce your weight. And thus they feel that this is the right procedure to follow or this is the right approach to follow. But you are not supposed to eat below your BMR levels. In fact, you have to eat below your TDEE levels to reduce your weight. Now, let us find out how to calculate these numbers so that we can prepare our diet chart. Let's get started. Alright, let us start by calculating first BMR levels. Now, this particular website is called as calculator.net. I would be mentioning the links to these websites below in my description box so it can be really very accessible to you. Now, to calculate your BMR levels, you need to enter your age, your gender, height and weight. So let's get started with this first. So I'm going to enter my age, that's 29, my gender female. I'm going to enter my height 165, my weight 64 kgs. And I am simply going to click calculate and this gives me the number that is 1365 calories, which is my BMR level per day. I'm simply going to go on to my notepad and I'm writing it 1365 calories per day. Now, next we need to calculate our TDEE levels. This is the page that I've already opened it up. Now, to calculate my TDEE levels, I'm going to again enter my information, that's 29. I'm going to enter my gender. Again, I'm going to enter my height. I'm going to enter my weight. And now here is the thing. There is a thing called as activity which I need to mention it. Now, when I click on activity levels, it shows me what is the activity or how much workouts I'm doing per day. So, if I am doing like little or no exercise at all, I'm going to click on sedentary lifestyle. Second is light exercise, moderate exercise, active, very active and extra active. Here's the thing you need to understand very carefully. If your activity is, if you're following basically no activity at all, then it's going to be called as sedentary exercise. Now, when you are starting with your weight loss journey, you feel basically that, you're going to be active really quite a lot and, you're going to work out like 3 to 5 times a week, right? But let's do this way. Never be over optimistic. Always be under optimistic and overperform or over deliver. So what I'm going to do is, if I know I'm going to, I have thought that I will be exercising 4 to 5 times a day, but still I'll select light exercise. Just in case, you're going to match it up when you're not doing it really well. So I put your light exercise and then I calculate what is my TDE levels. Now it is showing me that my TDE levels is 1877 calories per day. Now don't follow this particular thing because we are going to work out quite differently. We just need this particular number. So I'm going to put in here 1877 calories per day. Now understand what we need to do is, whenever you are starting with your weight loss journey, you do not have to go down below this BMR levels. You need to start going down below your TDEE levels so that you see your weight reducing. Now, whenever you are starting with your TDE levels, remember, don't make major, don't keep major gaps. Like, don't reduce the calories way too much. Like, suppose if it is 1877, don't directly reduce it like 400 calorie down and then start. Because you're not used to this diet. You are going to eat little less than you're, genuinely eating. So, I would say I would just make a difference of say 200 calories, not more than that. So if I am saying that I'm going to make a difference of 200 calories, that means this is basically minus 200 calories per day. I'm going to create a deficit which is equal to 1677 calorie per day. So now I know what is the amount of calories I need to start with to reduce that particular day. Now, after some time, you need to usually change your calorie every 10 days or so. You can do it 7 to 10 days. After that, keep on reducing to more 50-50 calories. So that means that here, it's my week 1. And I am starting with 1677 calories per day. Now, on my week 2 or 10 days, whatever time frame you are comfortable with, you are going to again reduce it to another 50 to say 77 calories. So round figure, I'm going to make it 1600 calories. Then week 3, I would go on to further reducing it accordingly. But whatever happens, don't go below this number. Try to come down till 1400 calories accordingly, but don't go below this 1400 number. I repeat again guys, don't go below this 1400 number. You're going to screw off with your metabolism. If you want to know how you can boost your metabolism, please comment below. I'll make another video related to the same. Now we have our BMR levels and our TDE levels, and now we know what calorie we need to start with. In my case, I'm going to start with 1677 calories per day. So let us try and prepare a diet chart revolving around 1677 calories. Now I'm going to give you another thing which you need to remember. You need to lose weight. Now, whenever you are on this calorie deficit diet, you are already creating a deficit. Following your TDE levels, you're eating below that. But you need to even do workouts. So you're going to create further deficit, which is going to boost your metabolism, which is going to further boost your, the amount of calories you need to reduce, and your weight loss journey is going to get faster with this. So try and do 45 minutes workout. Once you're doing your 45 minutes workout, you're again, burning off those 100 to 200 calories in your workout duration. And that 100 and 200 calories which you're going to burn it out, that's going to further help you to cut down on your calories. So now you know how you're going to perform it. You are primarily going to reduce your diet, and so you're going to lose weight because you're creating again a deficit from the amount of TDE levels that you need to intake. Secondly, you're creating a deficit by working out. So double way it is going on. It is going to act like a SWOT to your weight loss journey, and you're going to reduce your weight faster. So now I know what is the amount of calories I need to intake per day to reduce my weight. Now what I'm going to do is, I need to download an app which is called as MyFitnessPal app. This is a really good app which you need to follow, and you need to simply enter the amount of calories you have to intake and find all those relevant food items which you are going to eat and match it up and put in the particular diary of yours. So I'm going to show you how you need to do this. Now, as you can see here, I have mentioned the number of calories which I need to intake, which is 1677. Suppose that you need to change these calorie amounts. So you know here, if suppose your comes down to 1700 calorie, you're simply going to push it here and change this number to 1700. Now I know mine is 1677, so I'm not going to make that change. Next one I'm going to do is I'm going to find out food items related to the same. I'm simply going to click on diary. I'm going to check it out what breakfast I need to include. So I usually have in my breakfast I need tea with no sugar. So I'm just going to click out here and I'm going to click on checklist. Then I need usually 2 brown bread slices. So I'm going to click on this button itself. Now you can see over here it is showing you how many calories you have intaked till now and what is the calorie amount which is remaining. Similarly, say for lunch I'm going to have quinoa, so I'm going to just push it out to here. I usually have the number of servings is like say 1 ounce, so I'm going to have the 4 ounce of it, like if the serving size is 1 ounce. You can simply change out here like grams or something, and you can select which is the food items you're looking at. So you need to simply put all the details of the food items that you are going to eat during the day, and then accordingly follow this thing for the next 10 days or a 7-day period, whichever you are comfortable with, and accordingly start reducing as we had discussed it earlier. I hope you have found this video helpful. Comment below with all your doubts and I'll try covering up them everything in the next sessions, and I'll try to answer them as well. Thank you.